Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video I'm going to show you another problem, which is minimize number. So first of all we have to read the question, which is give a number and an array of n positive numbers, print maximum positive operations that can be performed. The operations is as follows: if a numbers are even, then the others, each of their two, otherwise you. So first of all you can see the example, then here first is 3 and then there is 8, 12 and 40 and the output is 2. So first of all we have to go to the paint, so for the better understanding. So first of all we go to paint and then you can see, if we take 8, 12 and 40, if we write here 8, 12, 40, you so here first, in the first example we see that here they give 8, 12 and 40. So we write 8, 12 and 40 in paint, and you can see, if we divide those three numbers in with a common number, we can find 2. So if we divide 8 divided by 2, then the answer is 4, and then we divide 12 by 2, then the answer should be 6, and then in the same case of 40 we can find 20, and in this time if we divided 4 by 4, the answer is 1, and then if we 20 divided by 4, the answer is 5. So you can see here there is not a two common number, then that can we go to the next step. So here the operation is go in 2 steps. So if we again divided those numbers by 2, then we can see we can get 4, 6 and 20. So if we divided those number again by 2, then we can find get 2, 3 and 10. So here is go. Here there is a problem because I don't divided 4, 6 divided by 4, so I here there we can see it's go to the next step, but unfortunately it's not going to the next step. So first of all we have to take a n number, and then we write if int n is equal to sc dot next int. So we do not write scanner class and the package because we already have this. So then we declare a array which is int array is equal to sc dot next int array is equal to new int, and then we take a loop for get input from user. So we write for int I is equal to 0 and I is less than n I plus plus, and we input the array from our user. So we write array of n is equal array of I is equal to sc dot next int. So then we copy the loop and paste here. So here we write, if array of I module 2 is equal not 0, it means the array is not even number, it is odd. When also we can say when the array is odd, output should be printed 0. So we write south, and into the bracket we write 0, and then we write statement for year number, we write statement for even number. So we write if arrow of I mod 2 is equal to 0, we take another variable which is counter, and when the array is even, the number, the value of counter should be increased one by one. So we write counter plus plus, and then we divided the array by 2. So we write array divided is equal to 2. So we have to initialize the counter first. So we write int counter is equal to 0. So then what can we do? So here we have to do another work. So we have to write if I is equal to 0 or counter is greater than, counter is less than result. So counter result is equal to counter. So we have also initialize the result. So we have to write int result is equal to 0. So we write int result is equal to 0. Here result is variable, int is a data type, and 0 is the value of result. And then here we remove the colon, semicolon, and we write or, and then we write a statement for output system dot out dot println, and we print result here. We run the program and copy the example and paste here to check if it's work or not. So then you can see the first answer, first example is appropriate. Here the answer of the first example is appropriately worked, and the answer is 2. And then for the second example you can see here output is wrong. In the example we can see 1 0, but in here we see 2 0. So here we have to work on another thing, return after the line where we write output statement for 0. So you can see now the result is same about our example, with our example. So what can we do? Then we comment out some line for better understanding. So here first of all, we in this line we mean it like if the array is not even, or if the array is like odd, when then we print 0. And then if the array is if the array mod 2 is 0 and or even number, then we increase counter value. So we add counter plus plus. And then what can we do? We copy the code and go to the question and go to submit code and paste the code here and click to the submit button. So we have to, it takes some time, so it's accepted. So thank you for watching my video. Like, comment and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.